Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own Flash USDT tokens. Easy way. You can upload these tokens to Binance for trading. Just keep in mind P2, P trading won't work. These tokens also work perfectly on gambling sites and other platforms. On stake, just click deposit, copy your USDT trc20 address, send Flash USDT from your wallet, and then you can start playing. The same smooth process works on BC Game too. Click deposit and send your Flash tokens via the trc20 network. Liquidity 0.05 Ethereum. Get 50,000 Flash USDT. Liquidity 0.10 Ethereum. Get 150,000 Flash USDT. Now let's start into the process step by step. First, open the Remix website and create a new file. You can name it anything. For example, flashuSDT.sol. Next, paste my code into this file. The link is in the description below. Open the Solidity compiler, select compiler version 0.6.6 and click compile. Once it compiles successfully, you'll see a green check mark. Now it's time to deploy the contract. Go to deploy and run transactions. In the environment dropdown, choose browser extension. Then select metamask. I highly recommend using metamask. It works the best. Once connected, you'll see your wallet balance. Now enter your token details. Token name, tether, token symbol, USDT. Click transact. Set the gas fee to 1 or 2 GWei to avoid failed transactions. The first transaction usually costs around $1 to $2. Wait for the transaction to confirm. Once it's done, you'll get your contract address. Go to the deployed contract section. Here is the contract function. From here, open the newly created contract address in the Explorer. You'll see your contract is now live on the blockchain. Next, copy that contract address. Open metamask and add liquidity to your contract using that address. Minimum liquidity is 0.05 Ethereum. Send the transaction and wait for confirmation. Once that's complete, refresh the Etherscan page. You'll see that your contract is now funded. Go back to Remix. Click Start, then click Transact button. Set the gas fee, write 1 and confirm the transaction. This step will mint your tokens. Wait to complete the transaction. After it confirms, your tokens are officially created. Now click Withdraw, then click Transact. Set the gas fee again and confirm the transaction. Wait a few moments for it to process. Once it's done, you'll see 2 green check marks. That means everything has been successfully crafted. Wait just a few minutes, then check your wallet. Boom. You'll now see your 50,000 Flash USDT. If you face any issues or get stuck at any step, feel free to message me on Telegram. I'm happy to help.